Since its establishment in March 2021, Tianjin Xingchang Electric Vehicle Company Limited has always adhered to the unremitting pursuit of excellent quality. The company has invested 200 million yuan to build a production base, Haniu Super Factory, which covers an area of 200,000 square meters and has 10 workshops including motors, wiring harnesses, frames, paint baking and assembly, more than 100 advanced parts and equipment such as automatic coil winding machine, automatic magnetic steel bonding machine, and automatic press end cover screwing machine have been introduced in the motor workshop. And it can independently develop various permanent magnet synchronous motors such as lead acid, lithium battery, and small high speed. The wiring harness workshop has many advanced equipment, such as terminal crimping machine, automatic terminal crimping machine, wire cutting machine, testing machine, etc., providing high-quality wiring harness products for various types of electric vehicles. The frame and body design of every electric vehicle in the frame workshop have been professionally calculated and strictly tested to ensure its excellent load-bearing capacity. The workshop adopts advanced automatic laser cutting equipment, numerical control pipe bending equipment, stamping machines, etc., to ensure that the frames do not deform or break after passing strict vibration detection, and the safety performance is guaranteed. The paint baking workshop adopts advanced paint baking technology, and after multiple processes such as pickling, phosphating, electrophoresis, 3 times spraying and 3 times baking, etc., to ensure that the vehicle body is not oxidized and corroded and improve the aesthetic effect and durability. The assembly workshop is an important link from the frame to the whole vehicle assembly. Every working procedure here has gone through intelligent blanking and mechanized production, and standardized and unified assembly line to ensure the standardization and consistency of products. The Equipment Testing Center has various professional equipment, such as frame vibration testing stand, shock absorber testing stand, salt spray corrosion testing chamber, etc., which has realized the revolutionary transformation of urban environmental protection electric vehicle technology, has obtained EU certification, Tianjin Xingchang Electric Vehicle Company Limited has always moved forward with firm steps, confident and steadfast. We firmly believe that the only persistent pursuit of quality and continuous investment in innovation can make us invincible in the fierce market competition. Nowadays, Tianjin Xingchang Electric Vehicle Company Limited has a perfect product system, and its business covers all over the world. Our products are found in Uzbekistan, Turkey, Thailand, Philippines, and other countries, as well as Mexico, Peru, Nigeria, Tajikistan, and other regions. Customer satisfaction is our most sincere hope, and it is also the company's determination to devote itself to the development of electric vehicle industry. Customer satisfaction and trust are our greatest honor, and we will, as always, provide customers with high quality and high performance electric vehicle products and services.